Well, Merry Christmas. This is a custom YouTube video message for Tyler. This is a special present to you because this is going to be the first, I believe it's the first, video which transmits about $1,000 worth of BTC, of Bitcoin, and we're using YouTube to do that. So I just wanted to give that gift to you. Again, it's just a video. That the video itself is what conveys the $1,000 or more Bitcoin transaction. It is not in any way like actually giving you Bitcoin, but it is the video message itself, and it's kind of self-explanatory. I think the reason this gift is so valuable is that in the future we'll understand what the Bitcoin protocol really is, and that is a instant messaging protocol. It's not digital content, it's not copyable material, it's not unique digital material. It's just an instant messaging protocol, and there's certain kind of hoops you have to jump through to be able to broadcast messages back and forth to one another. It's really very similar to something like Twitter, where you have to sign up for an account and you're limited to so many letters per tweet. Bitcoin is very much like that. It's just a little bit stricter rules about how you get onto it, and it's turned into people paying money for these messages that they want to send on Bitcoin. So I think what this is going to show is, if keep producing more videos for people, is that the money exchange is really an exchange of information, and that's actually protected under the First Amendment. This video can be produced that requires money to be paid for that, distributed and bought and paid for, all under the First Amendment. If it was pornographic, that might be different. If it was revealing government secrets, that might be different. Those types of free speech is not really protected, but I don't see why this video cannot be protected. So it could potentially create a very fundamental shift on how the legal system views Bitcoin. Is it really a convertible currency? Is it really a money? Is it really a property? Or is it really just free exchange of information? And that's what this video is going to prove, and we're going to keep doing this. You see more videos in the future. So real quick, here's your address. And you can see the balance here. Oh, balance is 0. And there's the message. You can see it below in the text in the transcript of this video. So I haven't really sent you Bitcoin, but you paid for this video message. See you later, Tyler. Merry Christmas.